Here is question 16 for the grade 10 mathematics national examination question that appeared in the 2011 exams. Before we go on, help us to grow this channel. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Let us begin. We are asked to simplify the expression 12p over 3, all raised to the power of negative 2. Let's take a quick look at the parts of this expression. We have a coefficient of 12, a variable p, and an exponent of negative 2. Now let's split the board and work this out. First, we simplify the fraction inside the brackets. 12p divided by 3 simplifies to 4p. Next, we substitute that back into our expression, giving us 4p to the power of negative 2. Now we apply the negative exponent rule. Remember, a to the power of negative n is equal to 1 over a to the n. So 4p to the negative 2 becomes 1 over 4p squared. Let's continue the solution working out. We expand the squared term in the denominator. 4p squared means 4 squared times p squared, which gives us 16p squared. Therefore, our final simplified answer is 1 over 16p squared. Finally, let's look at the given options. Option A is 1 over 4p squared. Option B is 1 over 16p squared. Option C is 16p squared. And option D is negative 1 over 16p squared. Option B perfectly matches our final answer. So, option B is the correct answer. If you enjoyed this video, please do like and subscribe to this channel for similar videos.